If you've been searching for a home that's on the high end of our market, but you haven't found the right one, I want to share something with you that'll help. That's coming up. Hi, thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area here along the Florida Suncoast. I hope my little 2-minute videos answer a lot of your real estate questions. And please hit the subscribe button, subscribe below, and get to know the Florida real estate market. It'll really help you get your best deal. Now, if you've been searching for a home that's on the high end of our market, but you haven't found the right one, I want to share something with you, okay? Number one, prices are dropping. As this graph shows, the inventory of single-family luxury homes for sale is increasing generally, especially on the Florida Suncoast. But there's a lot of inventory out there, and some are reducing prices. Compared to this time last year, there are more of them on the market. That should give you a wider variety of the top-of-the-line homes to choose from, and those who need to sell are pricing a little more aggressively. On top of that, luxury home prices and values are still going up. That's right, 3 to 11% a year in Florida. That means moving now could be your sweet spot. And if you wait, buying that luxury home later is likely going to cost you a little more. Want to see the high-end homes on the Florida Suncoast? Let's connect today. You can see homes on or near the beach 24/7 anytime at MrBeachHouse.com. Please remember to subscribe to this channel below and call us anytime at 855-MR-BEACH.